In the previous video for the CFI dashboard introduction, we discussed how to electronically sign your student's logbook. You can either sign it from your CFI dashboard at the end of the day, or you can sign it on your student's phone while they log their flight. But the problem there is you have to sign it every time, and there's nothing really stopping your student from electronically signing their own logbook. So to combat that, Pilot Partner offers the secure sign by PIN system, where you create your own PIN number and then you can sign by entering your PIN number. To set up your PIN number, you would go to your CFI profile while you're on the CFI dashboard. You'll enable this sign by PIN number, and then you would type in a 4-digit PIN number that only you know. Once you have your 4-digit PIN number, then you can electronically sign one time. Think of this as your rubber stamp that you create. This will always be your signature for any time that you sign your student's logbook. And then save your profile. Now, when you go to do your next sign, you'll notice that you no longer have the ability to sign, but you have the ability to type in your PIN number. You would enter your remarks just like you did before, and then you would go and type in your PIN number. Now let's log out of our account as the CFI dashboard and log in as our student. And what we're going to see is that when they try to assign you as their flight instructor, they will not be able to get that electronic signature without the PIN number. If they try to enter the wrong PIN number, they will be presented with a message that they entered the wrong PIN number. Too many invalid attempts at the PIN number will actually log them out of Pilot Partner, preventing them from signing their own logbook without your permission. But once you enter your PIN number, it will apply your rubber stamp signature to their logbook. So you can sign their logbook either from their phone or from your computer later at the end of the day. Now let's log back in as our CFI account so we can see the CFI dashboard again. And once we're at the CFI dashboard, we can select one of our flights that we need to sign, type in our remarks for the flight, and then enter our PIN number, and the flight is automatically signed. Even on the iPhone app, when your student logs their flight, the sign by PIN number also works there. Your student will be able to log their flight, click Add Person, select you as the flight instructor, and then you can swipe over and click the e-sign button. Once you click the e-sign button, you'll be able to type in your remarks, and then you'll be able to enter your PIN number. If you enter a wrong PIN number, it will let you know, and this is what prevents your student from being able to sign their own logbook. But once you enter the correct PIN number, the flight will automatically be signed with your rubber stamp signature. The icon to the left of your name turns green, indicating that this has been electronically signed already. All you have to do now is save the flight. And we still allow the student to enter their own remarks in their flight, so that way the student can have a documentation of what they did on the flight different from the documentation from the flight instructor. E-signing a logbook this way is a good option if you want your student to create their own flight on their own mobile device and then hand the phone to you to do the electronic signature. The downside to this is you have to type in your remarks for that flight right there as the flight is happening. Using the CFI dashboard, you can skip the signature stage at this point and then electronically sign it from your computer later on that evening. The choice is completely yours, and no two flight instructors will probably want to do it the same way, but Pilot Partner supports both ways of doing this.